If you don't know, we're having free drinks. In the corner down there, got tequila from Padre Azul. You have to try it. We've got some amazing stuff. More party coming tomorrow. And Filippo flew in from London to play for us. Mikey's paying for the drinks tonight. Can I get a round of applause for Mikey from ACREW? Today, Bar Sounder's paying the drinks, so thank you so much, Matthew. Enjoy the drinks, guys.